Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, your eyes don't clear. The man eyes don't clear. Hey! He don't finally see say this marriage is over. You know your leadership problem is pride. Pride na won't buy you. He granted an interview, was saying my ex-wife, and people were saying, oh, May Edochie is his ex-wife. Like who make each other else? It was May Edochie that brought the divorce paper to Yul Edochie. So what is this rejoicing about? And for those of you that are saying, oh, Odogu, make una carry joko carry chair. Make una come see how una Odogu condition be now. Make una come see how una Odogu parana condition be now. The truth have hit yo. The truth about his marriage. Until the day of divorce, you still feel a little entitled to that woman. There are many things when they make you they misbehave. There are many things that makes you to think that this in marriage, no matter anything, nothing will scatter am. But when the time comes, when God say yes, nobody can say no. And that time don't come for you. The day that you never prayed to come, it has come. Pete Edochie has finally called you. Say yo, the time is here. The fruit where they plant, it don't ripe. Time to pluck it. Now you ask the papa, say no understand. Now papa tell you say, it's time to set May Edochie free. All the traditional things where they do, they want to lose everything. All the things that May Edochie did when she got married to a Efulefu like yo. It's time to break all the chains. Time to scatter and lose everything. Hey! Oh, Guinea. Now Yul Edochie tell the papa say, he never understand wetin dey happen. Now papa ask am say, wetin you no understand? He tell you say the traditional marriage between you and May Edochie, it's time to break everything, to set May Edochie free from the spirit of the ancestors of the Edochie. She will now be free to do whatsoever she like. Now Yul Edochie say, who give that permission? Now Pete Edochie say, because that permission, it is due time. It is time. You say for him, say time never reach. Pete Edochie say na lie. Say that time don't come for May Edochie to be set free. If they do not set May Edochie free, say now you now go pay the consequence. There is a reason why he's asking you that they should come and do the needful. It's either they settle and come back together, or this thing they do it now. Now Pete Edochie tell his son, May Edochie has abandoned you for a very long time. She has said she has moved on. There is nothing he as a father have not tried to talk to May Edochie. May Edochie refused. According to her, it is over. So, Oga, come home, let them do the needful. Tell her the day where you will free come. So that thing will contact May Edochie. Let May Edochie know. So that May Edochie will still let them know the day where she go still come. Because she have to come with her family members as a witness. So their eye go reach and say, they set her free totally. So that nothing like the ancestors or the forbidden thing go worry her. Because as things dey now, if May Edochie say, make him go date man, or make him go sleep with any man, if May Edochie try am, bad thing go happen. So this woman, this is the time to set her free. Now Yul Edochie tell the papa, say, Papa, you can do better. You've been holding this thing for a very long time. Continue to hold her down. You don't know, say, if you free May Edochie now, he own don't finish. Once May Edochie come out with one new boyfriend, hey, nobody will talk about him again. They will not concentrate on May Edochie and the new boyfriend. The father cannot do this. Now the papa tell you, you say, this is tradition. You cannot pin a woman down for that long. If papa tell you like though, she say there are consequences. So if this thing they not do now, if me and she go pull leg for her side, anything where she do, nothing will happen to her and her children. Instead, now you, I go use the hair pay. Because the woman have asked them to set her free for a very long time. And if this time with me and she take ask them, it don't even overdue. Right now, if they don't do it on their own, anything we may do, you go buy, or you go sick, or you go break down. You know, say there are traditions when a woman cheats, it affects her, it affects her children. There are traditions when the woman cheats, it affects the man. But this one now, if they no free May Edochie, if May Edochie even carry another man apart tie, you is either is sick or you go buy. So the father told you, there is nothing they can do. You need to tell him when he can come. When they come break everything. When they use the tie May Edochie, traditionally in the marriage. My people, hey, as I dey talk to una so, you on the run. No? Yes, you on the run. He tell the papa, say go call the papa. You no fit call the papa again. Before I go into the full details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. My lovely fans, they say you don't go weak for one corner. All these things when they happen, it look like this man think is a joke. It look like this man think that people are playing. It look like this man think that all these things are just fun. But waiting they happen that his eyes don't clear. His eyes don't clear. This is not court. When I go sit down, judge go they talk. This is the remarriage we won't scatter. This is the breaking of the remarriage. And this is what gives you power since then. When he make you they try to feel say na him build dogu. Because he knows that if these tradition things are not broken for May Edochie cannot be seen with any man. She have her children to protect. That is the Odogu Parara power when they do. Now that's the ego. If he say they won't break up. If he say they want to take the last power when he gets over May Edochie. He feel that they want to remove him totally from there. Which this man publicly say May Edochie is his heirs. Even if May Edochie have already made you are heirs for a very long time. This same man now is afraid to break the traditional marriage between he and May Edochie. The same way court marriage no agree come to an end, all because of the same Yul Edochie. Now, the same Yul Edochie, which the father have called to come to the village to tell him when he can come so that they will do this thing and set May Edochie free. Yul Edochie no dey pick papa call again. You know they pick again. And you need to be there. He must be there. Now he carry May Edochie come. They know they do it for person back. He need to be there. You stand when this woman they take all those oaths. You go stand when she they reject him. She need to be free. They say you no great carry call. You no great carry call. People where they close to you. They say now you they regret. Now this man they sit down they think say this thing won't end. This yo think say na play. The man think say na play. Now this whole thing be. Odogu Parara, una Odogu Parara is on the run. Ezedike Isimiri Jofo is on the run. They say the man is confused. Is it that he don't want Mie Edochie to be free? So your plan be say Mie Edochie will be under him while he will be living his life. Mie Edochie go just dey there, even if two of them not get anything in common. But traditionally, Mie Edochie will be under him. Oga, you lie. You lie. Now Mie Edochie, you want to do gate man. So may she be the ass keeper for you. She should remain there traditionally married to who now? How can a woman be traditionally married to her ex when the court case don't they almost come to an end? The church they don't go carry paper give a reverend father. So how did traditionally, well, by the time they cancel the church, cancel the court, then traditionally she will still remain under you. Who does that? So that is your plan now. You see and say the only way we take home Mie Edochie now this one. The reason why he's afraid, I don't know. Because at this point, you're supposed to be happy. Say last, everybody don't free. Why is it that he don't want to be free from Mie Edochie? He wants make many nations see they use because of Mie Edochie they talk about him. You know, say you say like many people they talk about him more. Is he afraid that if everything ends totally, it will be his end? Hey, now wow, my people. The matter is tough. Pete Edochie that has been saying no, that they should reconsider. The man don't see and say this is no longer a matter of reconsider. This is a matter of everybody go your separate way. It is time for them to break and set Mie Edochie free. Pete Edochie was surprised. Yo is nowhere to be found. As I they talk to una, so no be saying a moi. Yo is nowhere to be found. They not see yo. If papa do they call him. His senior brothers they call him. They say his brothers don't call him. Tell him say yo. Go village, go Enugu, go meet papa. Make una settle this matter. Yo say there is nothing to settle. Say for everything we Mie Edochie do, the last thing he want to do is to set Mie Edochie free. That is what he told his brother. He said the last thing we want to do now to set Mie Edochie free. And the papa no say na him go free Mie Edochie. He can never free Mie Edochie. Say the thing, he said Mie Edochie will remain traditionally married to him. He said that one are the lesson we want to teach Mie Edochie. He said he can never set Mie Edochie free. No man when he go climb back. Lie. He say no go happen. They say now his brother tell her and say, yo. You and Mie Edochie una still dey together. Are you people doing secret relationship? To waiting he know because he and Mie Edochie they talk. They still dey very close. Mie Edochie has never told him that both of you are still in relationship or in marriage or in anything. So why are you crying over a marriage that has already ended? Let this woman go now. You say lie. Say lie. He say me all of them leave am. After they don't scatter a marriage, they don't destroy a marriage. He say all of them, both the papa, both the brothers. He say all of them are baded. They don't destroy a marriage. Now all of them, they call them, come and end the marriage. He said their plan not go work. Juju Ekwesu Romasi Mami Water, call your wife snatcher in order. Call him in order. Tell him go set Mie Edochie free. Before the matter go enter social media, now we go use social media, take fire him. Tell him go set the woman free. For how many years? The woman never try. So if they pain her, say Mie Edochie, we start afresh. But when he was still married, he started afresh. If they born children, they post them, but they shack them like man we never born before. From two old cargos. Behaving like children on social media, as if both of them, they never born pikin before. They don't let us hear word. He forget, say, Mie Edochie, na blood, na they flow for her body. He don't reach his turn now. He say nobody can advise him Oga, you will do it. You will do it. If you not do it, if I be me Edochie, I will go and sleep outside. By the time your blood course is swell up, they tell you say now the spirit of the ancestors they worry you, I go clear. And you know how they attack you. You know how they attack. You feel they public now, they talk out of your senses. You not go know. Those people not get messy. That's traditional thing. Una take tie this woman. Una must set her free. You must set her free. You must. You don't have option. This woman has been going through all these things for years without complaining. The reason why make grandpapa won't even do himself be say they no get option again. They have to do it. He get time where go reach, the woman will be free on her own. But that traditional cause will not be upon you head. Now make the thing not go affect his son. Now make Oga grandpapa say, make me Edochie Kondua. And the yo now is he no want do. Because you know, say that is the only thing when it take time me Edochie down. Fear in yo is number one. Make another man not come climb me Edochie. Make me is that me Edochie, if she is free, she might date another man. She fit get boyfriend. She fit start new family. Another man fit come alive. All this fear, na the whole. You no want see me Edochie freedom at all. They say they not see yo anywhere where you dey. By thunder, by fire, for your own good now, go and do it. All this one you are blaming your brothers, blaming your father, is your headache. Because you were not 12 years old. Your brothers were not there when you go dey knack Juju Ekwensu for Mr. Obasi matrimonial bed. Your brothers and your father were not there. You did it on your own. So the consequences, you will pay for it. It is time to set this woman free. Go and do the needful. You get luck say you don't meet woman will be like Juju Ekwensu as me Edochie. By this time, she for don't knack 10 men. By this time, you for don't go see your ancestors. Hey, you for don't visit your ancestors. She for don't use flirting, cheerful giver take by you. My lovely fans, things are happening. The same yo way they proud. When you see the way they talk, that you say, oh, this man has moved on. The man never moved, talk less of on. I don't know where on foresee the move. I don't know where on for honor. Because this man has not moved on. Any man wey don't move on, we go dey happy to cancel everything that connects them with their ex. Because this is traditionally connection, which is more important in a marriage. If you has really moved on, if for never for Fair Ridge Village, but why is he running? Me Edochie is waiting for them to give her the date, carry her family, they go there, they set the woman free. She will now be free. But they not see her. The same man who na believe say na be Odogu Parara, they not see her. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. What do we do with you now? Where we won't find her go? How do we go and help me Edochie to catch this man? We need to catch this man, tie a leg, carry and go there. Me Edochie must be free. Now this traditional one, now they fear me for inside. Now they pray day and day night, say God, let them set this woman free. This is the real marriage. Forget court. This is the real one. This one involves RIP. People go they buy anyhow like foul. This one when I they talk so. So me Edochie must be set free. Yo, any corner where you they go Enugu now. They go because if we catch you, and we go tow you go. It's similar for a decade body they shock you. You are don't clear now. You don't reach the time to do Odogu now, you don't run. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and God bless you.